Before we load the rig onto the trailer, I went ahead and basically gave it one quick once-over, which is something you should do whenever you tend to tow your trailer. So checked all the tires, greased all of the hubs, and then obviously checked all the lights. And you also want to keep an eye on essentially the structure of the trailer. And I've had this trailer for a long, long time. It is towed pretty much into every corner of the country. So I know the frame and everything is good, but I have noticed that my drive-over fenders are starting to get a little bit of surface rust on them, and I don't like that. So I'm going to give them a quick coat of bed liner. Now this is the Herculiner original truck bed liner kit. Now this is a kit that comes with everything you'd need to line the bed of your pickup truck to give it that good textured, strong protective coating. But you don't just have to use it on truck beds. You can pretty much use it on anything you want. I've used it before on floors of off-road rigs or sometimes on the rock rails if I'm looking for a little bit of traction for getting in and out of the rig. And this is a perfect application for a product like this because it's not only going to seal it from the weather, prevent this surface rust from coming back, it'll give it a good universal coating, just give it a long life. And because it has that texture, it also gives us like a no-slip coating, a little bit of traction, because we are going to be always climbing up and down on these fenders whenever there is a vehicle on the trailer. And the best part is you can simply roll it on or brush it on with all the stuff that's included in the kit. This kit can be rolled on all kinds of different materials, from wood, metal, rubber, and most plastics. Plus, it won't rust, chip, or crack over time.